Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about how to activate Kimem Nana, Safaricom Kimem Nana. So as you can see, this is a brand new phone, so we're going to be activating this phone. After removing the slip, you'll make sure that you'll have the Safaricom uh, micro SIM card. So there are two slots. SIM 2 is a nano SIM card and SIM 1 is a micro SIM card. So for activation purposes, you have to make sure that you're going to use only SIM 1 on the upper side, or you're going to use the micro SIM card. Make sure once you'll insert the micro SIM card, you will so you just need to use micro SIM card. You don't need to put SIM 2 for activation purposes. Once you activated the phone, you can use the another SIM card. So switch on the device. Since we are doing the first time setup, we're going to be it will take some time because it's going to be setting up or uploading the application on a backend. So you have to be a bit patient while it's going to be starting up first time. So just wait for a couple of minutes. You will find, yeah, so now you can see it's starting up. So it's startup. So what you need to do, you need to wait this to be, go to the landing menu. Right now this is in the landing menu. Now you need to see here languages. Pick as you preferred. So I'm picking English for now. Region, I'm picking United Kingdom. So once you'll find it, and now you see on your right side, you can see the network bar has appeared. So it means the SIM has been already read by the phone. So once you'll press start, it will take some time. So you have to wait. It's pulling all the information from the network. So just wait for a couple of another seconds. So this is, this is the first time you setting up the phone. So it takes some time to load application from backend. So you can see now the right side, the network bar has came. Now it's looking for a Wi-Fi. The preferred option will be use mobile network for setup. Okay, so this will be the right thing I can do, or you can also do setup offline, which will be a bit quicker, but I'll suggest you to go use mobile network for setup. So once you do that, it will say possibly you'll be charged the data. So of course, because since you're going to use the mobile data, it will charge the data charges, whatever the standard charges will come. So it's now connecting to the mobile services, taking too long. So you need to be make sure that you'll wait, because you see everything whenever it's happened first time, it goes to the network, come back. So you see now it been perfectly fine. It's connected to network. You can also see on the right side the 4G has been come, so it means the data has been already activated. In case it will never happen, you don't need to worry about it. You can always set up the phone in offline mode, and you can check the APN settings, which I'm going to show you once the phone is set up. You can always go to the settings, and then you can always do the manual APN settings. So it's getting ready. You can say this may take a few minutes. It's not talking about seconds, it's taking minutes. So you can understand then how many applications and settings are happening on a backend side. So this is usually the standard time for all Android devices. That's how it works. So once you do the setup at the first time, it's this is how it happens. So you just need to be patient, and you need to explain the customer also. This is the usually normal time for doing setting up. Once you move to the next level where you're going to be asked for a Google uh, agreement, it should become anytime soon, because now since it's actually connected to the data directly, so it's actually everything coming from the cloud, Google Cloud. If you do if you wanted to make this process faster, you can always do offline setup. But would, like you see now it says uh, using another network, if you can have be continue, so because it's getting trouble, so you can skip this process and make sure that this will be do now offline. So what happened in this case, meaning that the required information is not able to fetch by the server, so you don't need to worry about it, because it happens sometimes. So you accept this information. Once you accept Google information, you can always go to the online and check. Okay, now this is a screen setup. You can always skip this to make the process faster. So if there's a button for skip, you can press the skip button. You can always say skip anyways. Since it's a lock, so you can always set up the lock later on. So now you can see this is the phone has been set up. Now everything came up. So now this is you remember I was talking about how to do the APN settings. So you can go to the settings at the bottom, and then once you reach the settings, you'll find connected device. So you can see on top connected device, you'll find network and internet. So you just press network and internet, and once you reach the network internet, you'll find the Safaricom network here, the Safaricom mobile network. You can just press Safaricom mobile network. Once you press Safaricom mobile network, you'll find all the information about the network data and all. So you can see here mobile data is on by default. You can always off it if you would like to not to use the data. uh, Go down, you'll find the advanced setting here. You can see advanced setting, press on the advanced settings. Once you press on the advanced setting, you'll go again deep inside, then you'll find the access point name. By default access point should be the Safaricom. You see it's Safaricom. You can always add if you would like to add, but there shouldn't be a problem because it's already been set it as default. So you can just check it out whether your data is working or not. You can probably go to YouTube and see if things are working. So I can just check it out whether my data is working or not. So it since it's just a new device, it takes bit of time to load the things. You can you don't need to worry about it. uh, I can see it's now loading.